Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by getting into the router now. Make sure the Jio Fiber modem is powered and LEDs show active link, then plug an Ethernet cable or join the default Wi-Fi on the sticker. Open a browser and go to 192.168.1.1. You'll need the admin username and password from the device label or your installation slip. Once done, you'll be at the router dashboard. That's where you'll view and change the Wi-Fi password. You now navigate to the wireless or Wi-Fi section in the dashboard. Select the band you want to manage 4 GHz for range, 5 GHz for speed, and pick WPA2 or WPA3 for security. This protects your network. Replace the existing passphrase with a strong password, at least 12 characters mixing letters, numbers, and symbols, and then save or apply the change. Once applied, make sure to note the new password so your devices can reconnect. Finally, reconnect your devices using the updated SSID and password to confirm access. You can also open the Jio Fiber app or the admin dashboard to see connected clients and verify no unauthorized access. If a device won't join, forget the network on that device and re-enter credentials. If you cannot log into the router at all, perform a hardware reset by holding the reset button for about 10 seconds. Make sure to reconfigure.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.